You know what to do. Let's get those jewels.
Go on ahead. I'll wait here. I'll be ready if things go bad.
You can do this.
Civilians can do a lot of good for you, as long as you got them under control. Fat has to leave. He'll be back soon at another location. Police should be here in 20.
Down. Still down.
That's the stuff. Get it to the van.
Money.
One piece of land! Shield down!
Watch out!
Stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
Van is back. Get the backs to it. Great. Keep him coming. Gear up. We got a badass police force coming in.
Don't act dumb. Don't